In this video, I will show you the basic setup of CNC Simulator Pro. So this is the interface of CNC Simulator Pro, and you have to define your material, your tool and your workpiece. So in the bottom left there are few options. One of them is open inventory browser. Click on it, a window has opened. So go to materials, you have to define your material. Click on add, give your material any name, for example MT1, and set any color you want. I like dark gray, and click and check this treat as metal box. Everything else is not so necessary. And then go to mill workpieces. I work on milling machine, so again click on add. Now give your workpiece a name, work 1, you can give any name. So then we'll move here to materials. I have defined material 1. Click on materials, the material name you have just defined. Then provide the dimensions, for example 100, 100 and 50. This is my material that I will work on. Then move to tools. You have to define your tool, your cutting tool. Click on add. Let's say pointed diameter 10, length 20, tip angle 40. You can give anything you want as per your requirement. So then click OK. Tool name, yes, you have to give your tool name. It will you will need it when you will import these settings in your code. Click on OK and again OK. So you have defined your tool, material and workpiece. Now you have to call them in your program. So on the right side in the editor, type the $sign. There are few options. Click this one, add registry part, add the workpiece from registry. Click enter, press enter. Now when you click and when you press space, it will give you the options from the material you have just made. Click on it and press enter again. So again then press space. Now you have to call the tool T. The T is for tool command. You have defined just one tool, so there is only one option. If you have defined multiple tools, there will be multiple options. So again press enter. So then type M06. M06 is the tool change command. For example, if you want to change your tool, if there is already another tool implemented here, and you want to choose, you want to change that tool to the one you have just defined, then this is the code for that. So this is the basic setup of CNC Simulator Pro.